Hey guys, so what did we pick up on the side of the road today? What is this thing? So what do we got? What are we looking at? It is a snow blower, orange snow blower at that. It is a two-stage. Looks like a two-stage in there. Looks like it has a auger made out of rubber, and then it looks like there's an impeller in the back there. So I don't see a name on it. Let's see what we can find out. What's in here? What's in there? I don't see anything. That's good. That's a good sign. That doesn't seem broken. Got an on and off switch here. On and off there. Can turn that works. Looks like there's somebody's backyard fix of their own here, holding that on. It's one way to do it, guys. It's one way to do it. Let's tilt it up here. It looks like somebody's put on a newer looking I'm gonna try to hold this up. Hold on. A newer looking, looks like primer line. And what is this in here? I don't know why it's taped together, but it goes up in there. There's the little carburetor. And on snow blowers there's no air cleaner, so it is wide open. Everything looks like it's alright. It's a techumseh engine. And here we go. Here is a sticker. This is a Ariens. Let's see if we can get a little, which one's the model number? Oh, does it say a model number? There we go. Get some of that goo off of there. So the model number is 937004. 937004. And had a little bit of goo on it there. So there's nothing in it. I don't have any two-cycle fluid. I gotta go get some more mix, but let's see if it'll pull over at all. So it pulls over, on and off switch. Didn't start. The choke, something's going on with that. That looks to be frozen. So it's pulling right out of there. So wherever that choke goes, see if we can find out real fast. Well, just by pulling this up and down, it will move the choke. So I guess the cable's not moving any longer, but it does pull the choke on and open and shut. Just not the right way to do it. Alright, let's you guys shut your eyes. I'm gonna put some go-go juice in it. There we go. We will stand this up right here. Put a little starter fluid in it. Now just enough to see if it'll pop. I'm not gonna let it run. Almost started. Alright, so it popped. So the next thing to do is to get some actual fluid flowing in it. So it's oil gas mix, and it says 50-to-1 on it. So that's what we're looking at. Once I get that in there, then we can go ahead and see if it will actually spin. But there's my find for the day, man. So tune in and find out more about this snowblower.